How to upload a presentation in Pitch Avatar. To add a new presentation, click on the New Presentation button. This action will open a window with several options for uploading content. Option 1. You can upload a file from your desktop. It must be in PDF, PPT, PPTX, or MP4 format and be up to 100 megabytes. Option 2. Upload the file from Google Drive. Option 3. Import YouTube video. When you provide a link to the video, you will be given the option to include the whole video, then just leave the default checkbox off under Choose how detailed parsing should be. Or split the video into slides, then depending on the value from 1 to 5 you can adjust the number of slides the file will be parsed to. If you want to add content from more than one file or materials in different formats, you can do it later at any time in edit mode. After you click upload, the process of importing your content will start, during which you will see short videos demonstrating the main features how Pitch Avatar works. You can close it with a simple click. The upload progress will be visible in the list of your presentations. After a successful upload, you can go to edit mode or check how it will look for your listeners in test mode.